Hello everyone, today we are going to explore a new restaurant which is not new at all. It's very old but it's like a cafeteria. So we are going to explore that. It's in Dubai, near this Sharjah Dubai border. We had nowhere to go, that's why we came here. Let's go inside. No, we are not going to Park Cleary. We'll try that sometime else. We are going here. No. It's Sahara Mall. Desi Kappa. So here we go inside. This is the entrance. Hello and welcome to another new vlog after 2 whole weeks, right? So today we are at Desi Kappa, which is very near to our house. We were so confused where to go during this summer, so a friend of mine suggested that why don't you go to Desi Kappa. It's a small cafeteria near Sarah Center, and thus we are here. It's just the border of Dubai and Sharjah. You'll find it. It's in the location in the description, so you can see it. And we have ordered some starters, and they have sizzlers, they have Chinese dishes, they have sandwiches, and variety of juices and mocktails. So you can try, see the vlog if you like it. Then you can decide to come over. Watch the vlog. At first, we ordered kurkure momo, one veg kurkure momo and one non-veg kurkure momo. Here I am making my plate ready with the momos and the momo sauces. This kurkure momo was pretty good. It was kurkure or crunchy from outside and soft from inside. It was very hot, and as soon as it came, I tried to eat it at the same time. It was very, very hot, and I liked it because the stuffing was very soft with paneer, variety of veggies, and some cheese inside. And outside, the coating was pretty crispy, just like the kurkure. That's why this is the only dish that I like the most. You can easily see the stuffing here. The stuffing was properly filled up, and it was tasty also. So with the momo sauce, it was amazing. So you can try this kurkure momo there for sure. After the kurkure momo, we wanted to have some fish items. So we ordered for this prawn dynamite, shrimp dynamite, and also chicken dynamite. Since the waiter told us that there is no fishes available at their restaurant that time, so we had to choose between this prawn and this shrimp. This prawn dynamite was very ordinary. There was nothing extraordinary in it, so I won't recommend it to you at all. So this is the shrimp dynamite. This was also like, I have out of 10, if you ask me to rate it, I'll rate it like 2 or 3 because I'm sure you can make it better at home. So this is also something I didn't like. I only like the kurkure momo that I'm telling you from that time. So since we ordered it, we had to eat it. So I finished it, but it was also very okayish types. Along with this starter item, I also ordered mango lassi for me because I like mango lassi very much. But to my utter disappointment, I didn't like that too because there was only mango flavor, no actual mango was being used. So I was very disappointed with that lassi also. So we are out of Desi Kappa. I didn't like the food. Only the kurkure momo was good. Otherwise, this prawn dynamite, the shrimp dynamite, whatever we took, it was not up to the mark. So, and this is what I didn't like about it. And the lassi that I ordered, it was flavored lassi. It was not that yummy also. I didn't like the lassi also. I don't know why. Only the kurkure momo was good. And the price was also not very less. So I won't recommend you to come here. If you are nearby and you want to try some snacks, then do visit once. See if you like it or not. But I didn't like it personally. So that's my viewpoint. So if you like watching the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I will be back with a new video again. Bye bye.